Okay, so here is ZEO Green from the Lightning Collection. And you can see this packaging looks good. Looks good in there. So yeah, basically the same. And he does come with his weapons. Okay, now let's take him out of the package. Okay, so here's ZEO Green out of the package. Yeah, he looks very nice. The one nitpick I have is when you open up these, the detailing wasn't continued. That's the only nitpick I got with this. But it's all good. It looks great. Accessories wise, he came with 2 closed fists. His ZEO pistol. ZEO blade. And he came with his ZEO weapon. And they just fit right in here. When you put them in there for the first time, it does get a little tight, so I've had them in here in the hands for a while, so kind of got a little stretched out. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So that's how that looks. You can actually get him into have him in this mode. Like he's when he starts his attack with his power weapons. And next we have the head, which is very nice. And that's how that looks with the head on, with this head on. Alright, now comparison. Here it is with ZEO 5. ZEO 3. Cold Ranger. Alpha 5. Zordon. With the light on. Okay, and so here's how they all look together so far. This is how the ZEO set up so far. Okay, now here's how they all look together without the helmets on. And that looks like a great setup. So ZEO is almost complete. All we need now is pink and yellow. And the monsters for the bad guys for ZEO. That'd be nice too. And for those wondering, here it is with black next to black. Yeah, black with Adam's head on it. And here's a nice action pose. That actually looks pretty good. I use this as my thumbnail. Oh, so that's it. Thanks for watching.